Hi, thanks for joining a new video. Today we're unboxing the TECNO POVA 7 Pro 5G. Let's start. I have to tell you that this is truly one of the finest devices you can find. It is currently available for purchase on Mercado Libre Mexico, and it is being offered at a price of 4,999 pesos. Once we go through the features and specifications of this device, you will understand why it is so appealing. At this price point, it will be quite challenging to find anything better. I've included the link in the description for you, but how about we start by unboxing all the contents together? Before we proceed, let's take a moment to thoroughly examine the box. From this vantage point, we can already start to anticipate the design, which I believe will be one of the most appealing aspects. Additionally, let's not forget to highlight some of its other technical specifications, which are equally enticing. On the back, it also proudly announces its collaboration with Free Fire and, naturally, some other highly attractive specifications of this device. Now, let's go ahead and take it out of this compact box, and then we find ourselves with another box, quite surprisingly, that also highlights some of the features. However, what really strikes me is that even this box has a textured design with a metallic finish look. This could be considered quite striking, especially in a world where boxes are becoming increasingly smaller and less detailed. I think it's an attractive box, but let's meet the device directly now. In fact, I'll soon highlight some of the most striking features of this device. If you're familiar with the specifications, you can already see that it will be a highly attractive device for this price. Then let's go ahead and take it out, and we'll also peel off this sticker. By the way, the manufacturer points out here that it's a 256 GB model. The design of the device itself is quite appealing. In just a moment, I'll share some interesting and specific details with you. But at first glance, it looks very unique and appealing. Now, let's check out what else is inside the box. We are going to find, for instance, papers that are essential in life, like warranty information. Pay close attention here, because this is where the pleasant surprises start to unfold. Included is a case that comes with this magnetic ring for support. Magnetic wireless charging, you heard correctly. At this price, they're already offering that feature, which is why I emphasize that this device offers incredible value for money. But let's take a look at what else we have here. Before we proceed, let me know in the comments if you would prefer using this device with a case or without. Personally, I think the case adds a nice touch due to the orange color ring, which is paired with other accents in the same color that are part of this device's design. So I wouldn't mind using it with the case as much, but I generally prefer to use devices without a case, especially since this one has a bit of texture to it, which adds to its appeal. Give it a listen. Actually, you could also add a cover to the magnetic back with this case, though of course these are sold separately. I have a demo one right here, and it's a nice addition. Over here, we are going to find the charger, which is 45 watts. It's an excellent addition, and it comes with its own cable that connects from USB-A to USB-C. I believe that's expected in this range. Here is also the tool to remove the tray. It has a curious detail that I find interesting. I'm not sure if you can notice it, but it has precisely the same shape as the camera module of this device. I must say it's a curious detail. Just look at it, I can cover it right there. There it is, more or less. These kinds of details really make the unboxing experience more fun and enjoyable, so congratulations to this manufacturer for their creativity. What are your thoughts on this? Let's save this content for now and shift our focus to the technical specifications that the device will offer. However, before we dive into that, there is some fantastic news. For those who were among the first to purchase in the free market, you will receive a complimentary power bank as a gift. It's magnetic, which adds a nice touch to the overall experience. This device, in many aspects, provides you with a premium and high-quality experience. Of course, this isn't exactly the most advanced flagship phone available, but I must emphasize that in certain aspects, it really gives you that premium feeling. Take a look at this power bank, for instance. It's incredibly sleek and has a very modern technological design. It offers a transparent view, so you can actually see some of the electronic components inside. Naturally, it needs the case to be positioned in a specific manner. And once you've done that, you'll notice it has excellent absorption capabilities. You'll be all set with your extra battery pack for those crucial moments when your device is running low on power. At this point, my cell phone was off, but it already started detecting charging. So this is quite a premium feature. We're going to power this device on, and we'll need to wait a bit because I should have done this earlier while showing you the box contents. I'll be back with you shortly. I've already set up the device, and honestly, the software has a fresh look. It looks nice. It uses a theme that matches the color palette seen here. TECNO is also introducing a new typeface for this POVA series, and you'll notice the operating system is well designed. I really like my first impression of this device. Now let's quickly go through its specs. It features a thickness of 8.87 millimeters and weighs 201 grams, indicating that it doesn't aim to be ultra thin or ultra light or anything similar, and I personally appreciate that. This is because it is a device that includes a very good battery and also incorporates interesting design details that you will definitely notice. Take note of the back, where you'll find an LED strip that adds an incredibly attractive touch. TECNO refers to this as an interstellar design, featuring a triangular pattern and a mini status LED composed of 104 LEDs. There are over 30 lighting effects that you can access through the software. So this feature adds an extra layer of sophistication to the device, giving it a much more refined and elegant feel. Observing this quality in this price range once again highlights its appeal, making it a highly attractive option for potential buyers. Now, when we focus on the software aspect, I must emphasize that you have the flexibility to configure precisely how this feature will behave according to your preferences. Light at various moments, for instance, it can notify you about certain alerts or notifications. You can also set a timer there. Additionally, when you are playing something, it can be turned on, or during charging, or even to verify how you are adjusting the volume level. This is an exceptionally appealing feature. It also comes with IP69, so it's dust and splash water resistant. The screen is a 6.78-inch AMOLED with a 1.5K resolution and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Is impressive and will greatly appeal to gamers. It has automatic switching, or you can choose a setting. The touch sampling rate is over 2000 Hz, so the screen responds excellently to touches and gestures. A key point for gamers who want quick button actions, and the screen reaches 4500 nits in brightness, making it very bright. We truly have a stunning screen for this price range. The stereo sound includes a speaker at the bottom and another at the top with dual output. Having stereo sound is a definite advantage, especially for gamers, as it provides a broader sound experience when playing. It allows distinguishing audio from the right or left to identify where opponents are approaching from. And the sound quality matches the price, so we couldn't really ask for much more. However, another appealing feature for gamers is the vibration motor, which has an X-axis motor. This provides incredible feedback, and they even included an animation where you can perceive these small vibration hits on the hand when it's doing all this, so you get an idea of the quality of the vibration motor that they have. It's excellent. You're going to really enjoy it when you're playing games. And in this price range, it's very rare to see devices with this quality. It even has the intensity adjustment on the vibration quickly. Let's examine the cameras. The front camera is 13 megapixels with an f2.2 aperture and fixed focus. Here you can see the preview and processing showing its dynamic range capabilities. I believe it matches the price. On the back, along with the LED strip light, there's a 64 megapixel main camera with an f2.2 aperture. Quite bright and has optical stabilization too. Then there's the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with an f2.2 plus aperture and fixed focus. Let's check it out. The ultra wide looks impressive, especially for a backlit scene. The main camera quality is also good. Notice the 2x zoom. It's digital but appears optical in quality, looking excellent. Even a 5x zoom, it still looks remarkably good. And take a look at the zoom capability. 10x is really optimized quite well. Of course, while it may not match optical quality, it still looks pretty amazing considering the price range. Actually, the maximum zoom is 15x, and it doesn't resemble a horrible forced zoom like you might notice on other phones. I was genuinely quite surprised by this aspect. Also, just to mention, the device will allow us to record up to 4K, not only with the rear camera, but also with the front camera, which is quite impressive. I don't know what else you're expecting. It's a device that delivers in every way. It exceeds expectations. And yes, it even supports dual video, so you can even have this view to be recording at the same time. The operating system is called iOS 15 for POVA and is based on Android 15. Pay special attention because it comes with the entire TECNO AI suite. This means it has a huge number of artificial intelligence features. It includes its own voice assistant, a call assistant, social translation, and much more. You name it, really, it's an extremely powerful device when it comes to artificial intelligence functions. It even includes Circle TOC search from Google, so I believe it essentially has everything you could need. It features a fingerprint reader in the screen, an optical one, as seen on the back. It includes NFC and a remote control function. For instance, you can set up your air conditioner, TV, etc. You need to point the phone that way as the infrared is there. The battery has 6000 mAh, supporting 70 watts fast charging, providing support for 45 watts charging, and it comes with a charger included right in the box. It also supports wireless charging up to 30 watts. So what do you think? To give you an even more premium feel, it also comes with the reverse wireless charging feature. So you can put charging another cell phone on the back of this one. Whether it supports wireless charging or your headphones or your watch, really these kinds of features are completely premium. Finally, let's talk about performance. It comes with 12 GB of physical RAM, and you can also put virtual RAM on it, which I'm not. I'm really a fan of this feature. However, the physical RAM is actually 12 GB. Really don't know what more you could want. High-end models from just a year ago didn't even come with 12 GB of RAM, so seeing this at such a price is absolutely spectacular. Plus, it includes 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is, once again, excellent news. We have a really good amount of space capacity here. And to top it off, the processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate. To complement this processor, it features a cooling system known as hypercooling, which is composed of 12 layers, and the steam chamber is 5,300 square millimeters. According to the manufacturer, it can lower the internal temperature by 3 degrees Celsius. It definitely comes well powered also in this aspect. This device can run Free Fire at 90 frames per second on its monitor, which also offers many tools. Let's try running heavier content to demonstrate its excellent smooth performance and good temperature control. We began with Call of Duty in Battle Royale mode, played a long time, so I'll fast forward to show it was uncut, the full game. At the end, the temperature was 39.5 degrees Celsius, well controlled with high FPS. Then we played a full game in multiplayer mode, so you can see the device's performance after a session. For a medium duration, we observed a temperature of 39.3 degrees Celsius by the end of the test, which is still below 40 degrees Celsius. Then we went ahead and played PUBG once more, this time giving the highest priority to the frame rate per second. I want you to observe how, after just a brief gaming session, the device is once again going to show us a temperature reading of 39.5 degrees Celsius yet again. The temperature is currently below 40 degrees Celsius, which is truly excellent news for us. To conclude, we played Asphalt once more, this time giving priority to the frames per second rate. The game performs quite well, running smoothly without any cuts or interruptions or anything like that. At the end of this small test, the device had a temperature of 38.2 degrees Celsius, consistently staying below 40 degrees Celsius. This demonstrates the optimal performance of the vapor chamber. For those interested in numbers, here are the Geekbench results. It scored at 1,039 points in single core and 3,107 points in multi-core. In Antutu, it nearly hit 1 million points, achieving 933,729 points, making it a highly attractive option in this price range. We've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, let us know, and we'll see you next time.